Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to manage the camera location tags, so how to turn them on or off. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and now all you have to do is simply tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner, so let's do it. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the store location, which right now is turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here. So this is how it works here, and if you'd like to apply the location tags to the photos, make sure that this option is turned on. What's more, we've got another very important features about which you have to think. So unroll the top bar and let me show you. The very first one is the internet connection, so you can be connected with a Wi-Fi or your mobile data, it doesn't really matter, but remember about the internet connection. And the second one is the location, and as you can see, I do not have this icon right here, but no worries if you do not have it. Also, just tap on this pencil icon right here. You have to slide and find the location option here. Just tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first panel. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so we can go back and it is visible on our status bar. So remember, make sure that the location option will be turned on and that you will have the internet connection. And actually that's all. If you've got this option turned on, you can go back to the camera, take a photo and check the location in the details. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the camera location tags in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.